Hey, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. Today we are out in the garage, and as you can see, I have a mess of a workbench here, if you want to call it that. So it's time for me to clean this all off, sort it all out, put back the tools that belong, and get this workbench nice and clean so I can work on it, so I can sharpen my chainsaw and stuff like that. So I don't know how long this is going to take, but I'm going to... Okay, I made some progress. I cleaned this whole area off. Notice how nice and clean. This, I will have this here, and I got my tools here. I can work on my chainsaw. However, that's what I ended up doing. Until I sort through that all, it'll give me some time. I put it all in a box. That's fine. I did put some tools away where they belong. Yeah. So at least I'm able to work on the chainsaw and sharpen it up. As a matter of fact, I think I'll do that. Maybe if I have some time yet today, I might do that. And because I got to cut some wood. So, all right. Yeah, it's kind of nice out today. Was sunny earlier, but now it's clouding up a little bit on maybe some high clouds or whatever. But like, I think it reached about 60 degrees. The other day it was snowing, so that's Wisconsin for you. Looks like this weekend they're maybe talking maybe close to 70 degrees. That'll be nice. So we'll continue on this video. So I'm just going to do a few things here, and then I'll plug you back in. All right, we're going to sharpen the chainsaw. I got my Craftsman, aka Dremel tool, variable speed. I got a bit on here that I'm going to sharpen the chain with. I put a piece of tape there. Hopefully it stays. But interesting, before I started the camera back up, around in the summertime, you know, we live out in the country here, and I love it. Well, anyway, there's a county road just west of here, and it says 55, but I know some people go beyond that, but that's fine. Well, anyway, there's a lot of, must be kids that are about 16, 17 years old that always, every year, it always seems like there's always like race cars or people that are working on their cars, and they always take them out for a spin and whatever. Well, just before I heard the guy, because there's a turn, guy took off and he gave it all heck, and all of a sudden I heard a pop and dead silence. So I think he blew his engine or something, because I don't hear nothing anymore. So it's kind of funny how all these kids out here, they must work on these cars all winter long, and then they think they get they put a little loud exhaust on there, and then they think they got a race car, and they just blew the engine probably. I'm no expert at sharpening this, so we'll see how that all goes. Worst comes worst, I just get another chain. All right, I won't bore you with all the details, but I will continue on, and I'll show you when I'm all done. All right, that should do it for the sharpening. Now I want to tighten up the chain a little bit here. So we'll just loosen up. that's it. I don't think I can go any more that way. I'll just back it off and then pull the chain and then go. I guess that's it. So we'll tighten it up. No, it's not the tightest. So, all right, let me turn you off and I'll tighten it up and show you. Okay, I tightened it up. Good enough. What happened is, like right in here, this was all gunked up with grease and sawdust and stuff like that. So when I took this cover off, I took some brake clean and cleaned that all up. Then I was able to make my adjustments. So yeah, it should be all ready to go. I'll have to gas it up and make sure there's oil in it, chainsaw oil in it, and I'll be able to cut some wood. Hopefully I did a decent job. So yeah, I think that's gonna do it. Wrap it up for this video. I do appreciate everybody watching. I do appreciate the people subscribing. I know I'm far off from the minimum what YouTube wants, and I'm working hard to get to that goal. I'm at 137 right now. I know I have a ways to go, on 800 or so to get to 1,000, and I really appreciate. So please share this with your friends, family, whoever you want to think of, and I will see you again on the next video. We'll see you again.